Hi, this is Jonathan Ferry here with Key Digital at InfoComm 2014. We want to introduce you to our newest family of matrix switchers in the Digital IQ series. We have KD-HD8X8 Lite, KD-HD6X6 Lite, and KD-HD4X4 Lite. Now these are HD-T Lite chipset extenders, transmit extenders built in, which is also known as HD-T chipset B, I believe, meaning you're going to get 70 meters at all resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. Now, this matrix also supports 4K at 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. And that is at distances up to 120 feet. Now, one very cool and unique feature about this, you have two power connectors on the matrix. One of them connects to the matrix, powers the matrix, while the other is a power connector for all 4, 6, or 8 receive extenders, depending on what model you're using. So you have 4K, power over HD-T, and there's even more. This piece has everything all in one box. So these model numbers are going to include your 4, 6, or 8 receive extenders in the box. And now, because Key Digital is not only the leaders in digital video technology, but also making quite a splash with our compass control, there's a big bonus here. We've actually approached this thing backwards. We're not a control company that became a hardware company. We're a hardware company that became a control company. So actually, these matrices have built-in master controllers. So the 8x8 has 8 expansion IOs here. These can be IR, RS-232, or voltage triggers. You have your 8 receive extenders on HD-T that have control ports, IR or bidirectional RS-232. And then we're doing something extremely unique, where we are able to embed control IR or bidirectional RS-232 into each and every of the 8 input for HDMIs or the 8 output for HDMIs. And so in fact, the 8x8 comes to a 32-port control system, 8 expansion IOs, 8 HD-T, RX, 8 HDMI input, 8 HDMI outputs. The 6x6, 26-port control system, and the 4x4, a 16-port control system, all in one box. So you got to see it to believe it, or you got to go to keydigital.com for more information.